Hi friends, welcome to Delicacies on the Plate. During summers, when served with cool falooda, everyone will surely like it. Today I am going to make chocolate falooda. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. So now let's start making this delicious chocolate falooda. Herein I have taken 1 tablespoon of sabza seeds, also known as basil seeds. This I am going to soak in half cup of water. This will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes to get soaked. Add water and give it a nice mix and keep it aside for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes you will see that it is well soaked. You can see here by the consistency itself it shows that it is well soaked in water. This is very good for health. It brings down the body temperature and gives you instant relief from the heat during summers. Now herein I have taken half bowl of vermicellis. Herein I am not using falooda vermicelli. So this is a good substitute instead of falooda vermicelli. This I am going to add in the boiling water and cook for around 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes you will see that each strands are well cooked. It will become a kind of translucent. After that I am going to strain it and give it a cold water wash. You can see here it is cooked. Now I am going to strain it and herein I have given it a cold water wash. You can see here all the strands are separate. After some time, if you feel that it is again sticking, again wash it with cold water and it will be ready to use. Now herein I have taken a tall glass in which I am going to layer the ingredients of the falooda. I am making chocolate falooda, so first goes in the chocolate syrup. On above this I am going to add in the sabza seeds, around 2 tablespoons. Layering is very much important in falooda. Above this I will add in the vermicellis, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. And now I will add in chopped cashews, some chopped tutti frutti. Instead of tutti frutti you can also use some jello. Now herein I have taken around 150 ml of milk. I am going to milkshake of this. In this I am going to add in chocolate syrup. You can add it as per taste, but at least 2 tablespoons, and then blend it with the blender. On the roadside you must have seen that either they make this milkshake instantly or they keep it ready. So in a glass they will just add milk and chocolate syrup and with the help of the spoon they will mix it. And now I am going to pour this in the glass with the help of the spoon so that the below layers are not disturbed. If you want to make rabdi falooda, you can reduce the milkshake quantity, add around 100 ml of rabdi. Now above this I have added a big dollop of ice cream on which I have poured some chocolate syrup, and now I am going to garnish with some finely chopped almonds and pistachios and some tutti frutti. So herein delicious falooda is ready to serve. Here you can see it is looking so tempting. And then this falooda I am going to serve it with a big spoon. If you have liked this video, do like and share. Subscribe for more such delicious recipes and delicacies on the plate. Don't forget to click on the bell button to get the further notifications of my upcoming videos.